South Africa last week, showing quite nicely the bokeh effect. That's background blurring, which we get because of the Carl-sized wide-angle view lenses that we have. So pro photographers usually create this to do a kind of artistic effect. So you can do that with this one quite easily. This particular image happens to be a full resolution image. You can get 38 megapixels out from this device. That's the maximum. And then when you go in here, when you go in, zoom into the picture, you can zoom in some more here. So this is the kind of detail that you get. You can really see the fabric of the rope. That's for full resolution, so you couldn't take this in low light. So then what you do in low light is you create a 5 megapixel image and put all the pixels together to get better light performance. But I could then open up the camera. So for people who are not photographers, it's really easy. You just long press, and there you have the first image. Actually, that was now I already had it open up, so we did a full resolution image again. But for happy snappers, you can just have this kind of very easy UI where all you need to do is press once and you have a 5 megapixel image. Then for photographers, we offer many options here. You can do bracketing, interval. There's a time-lapse video running on the small screen. That's done by the interval setting, so putting many images together to see how the sky hue changes. But the main benefit we're offering to people is the PureView. PureView is an imaging technology where you take the full resolution sensor and you use that for zooming as well as for oversampling. We offer 3 different resolutions, 3, 5 and 8, and for 5 megapixels that is equivalent to a 3 times zoom or to a 7 pixels into 1 oversampling. In the creative mode here we have lots of options. You can do close-up, you can go to 15 centimeters distance and focus, and if you dare take a full resolution image you can really zoom in a lot and a lot. That's we can demo with the miniature city there. And then you can change the ISO settings, the exposure values. It's really a rich camera. We of course also have video, as said, so now I'm starting up the video camera. We offer full HD, 720p or NHD. The NHD is the resolution of the display, that's why I'll show you here how the zoom works. So we have a new type of zoom, slide zoom, very precise, and you can really decide how to frame the subject before you zoom in completely losslessly because of the big sensor. And also here we have the mode for those who don't care about all the settings. So that's the camera in a nutshell, and feel free to try this out yourself as well. Actually. You can also go into the camera and show you some low light shots if you want.